Hello everyone. I just got the shower liner I ordered in today. This is the package it came in. It's pretty simple. It's just a 72 by 72 liner that you wipe clean with the damp cloth. Now this is the package. I'm going to go ahead and open that up and just show you it. Okay, and this is the liner out of the package. It is a pretty standard liner. It comes with the 12 rings here on top. And this one came with the magnets. So when you're showering, it stays still. Let's go ahead and hang it up and see what it looks like that way. Okay, so pretty simple on putting this in. It does have some overlay here on the curtain, so be aware of that when you order this. It might not be a typical size for a regular shower curtain. It's a little over. And then down here are the magnets that keep it in place. And it is a very clear, thin shower curtain. So keep that in mind when you order these. So I hope this information was helpful. Y'all have a great day.